Hi everyone, my name is Manvi. I'm a nature illustrator who loves to paint botanicals and wildlife. If you want to check my work, you can see my Instagram page Manvi Sam Art, and I also have a YouTube channel by the same name. And today we are going to paint this monarch butterfly in gouache, and for this we will be needing some mixed media paper, which is Ayush paper. This is 250 GSM acid free paper. I choose Ayush paper because paper matters to me. And the brushes that I'm using are Artyshils art brushes 0, 000 and 2 round brushes. And gouache, I'm using masterclass artist gouache by Nevskaya palitra. Now let's start sketching a butterfly. First of all, I'm giving a very basic light shape to the butterfly, and then we would refine it. Now the sketch is done, and I am painting the head and the body of the butterfly with black color, and I am leaving some white spaces. I mixed black and white to get this grey tone. And for the antennas, I'm using that same grey and a little bit of black underneath this grey color. I mixed the orange with some red and yellow light, and then I added little bit of black to get the muted tone. Details are left in the body, but it is still wet, so I'm moving on to the wings of the butterfly. And this orange I have mixed with the red and yellow light. I'm adding orange color to all the places where I see in the reference picture. Now I'm adding some details in the body that were left earlier. Now moving on to the lower wings, I'm using that same orange, but this time I have added little more yellow to it. If you have any questions related to any medium or any technique used in any media, or even how to sell your art, you should check ask.ayushpaper.com. This is a platform for artists where you can answer or question any art related questions. Now the orange part is done, and I'm using lamp black now and leaving some white spaces. Now again the same process on the other wing. Now painting the lower wings with black and again leaving some white spaces at the lower part. This butterfly is almost complete, and now I'm just adding some final touches. With black, I'm using a technique called stippling. We'll complete this later. For now, I'm using a diluted black color along the inner borders of these orange parts. The consistency is similar to watercolors now. Now I'll continue to use the stippling method. This gives the realistic effect to the butterfly. We would love if you would recreate this painting. If you do, please tag us while posting on Instagram, Manvi Sem Art and Ayush Paper. The link is in the description box below.